I don't think you understand how much flavor is in this marinade. We're making jerk, and this is what you need. 1 red onion, and if you don't have red, use yellow. Let's not make this complicated. Some garlic, some ginger, and if you're not into heat, you can skip the scotch bonnets or remove the seeds. Lime juice. Now make sure you don't put the seeds in, they got a bitter taste. Now you can use a fresh orange or you can use orange juice, whatever is easier. Now we can use a stack of scallions or green onions. They are the same thing. Okay, so you need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 a cup or a splash of vinegar. Apple cider will work as well, and 1/4 cup of your dark soya sauce. Now you can use 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you got, some black pepper, some salt. Now these are optional. This is browning and this is liquid smoked. You want to take it to that next level. Go ahead and put it in your blender, blend it all up, and you want to get this consistency right here. Get your mason jar out, load it up, because you can put this literally on everything. From chicken to fish to pork to vegetables to tofu, the list just continues. And the longer you have it marinating, the more flavor it holds. I'm gonna do some chicken. Tell me if you want to actually know how to do the chicken, like how I do my chicken. Because this chicken is so good. Just look at it. Look at it. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and tell everybody BaBa Dees is back.